Finding the work email of your contacts right from your spreadsheets, just like I did here, is super easy to do, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. If you have a spreadsheet that has at least the first name, last name, company name, or the domain of your contacts, you can use the Scalelist Google add-on to find your contacts' work emails. Once you've installed the Scalelist add-on, you can simply click on Scalelist, open. You will have to sign in to your Scalelist account. You can create a free account that will give you a certain amount of credits to try it out first. So let me sign in. Okay, I'm signed in. Go back, and as you can see, I'm signed in here. Now I have to column match every column. So column first name is A, column last name is B, column company name is C, and column website is D. Here, as my column has headers, I'll keep it ticked, and I'm going to click on search emails. Now it's going to start processing the file. It will add 3 columns: email, which is the actual email found; status, to tell me whether it's valid or risky. Valid means the email works. Risky, it's unverifiable but still exists. And the result, what happens exactly. So now it's populating it progressively. I can see the loading bar. And here you go. In a total of 39 leads that are on my list, I've been able to find 36 emails, out of which 34 were valid and 2 were risky. On my Scalelist account, I am charged only 1 credit per email found. No credit is charged if no email is found. The verification status here is also included in the credit. Easy go and happy scaling.